Welcome to today's morning class. So, today we will be studying a beautiful Murli that is of 11th of March 2002. Specialities are a gift from God, offer them for world service. Beautiful Murli, Baba has gifted each of us with some specialities. Sometimes it so happens that uh, while applying them to service, we feel that this is my quality, this is my speciality, and sometimes we uh, get egoistic or we get carried away with it. So Baba tells us, hold on, this is something which I have given you as a gift. Apart from this, Baba also asks us to uh, check what we are speaking. Just don't speak whatever comes. Or sometimes we feel that this is not the intention we spoke, but Baba asks us to check that as well. And also, Baba has met the teachers group and tells what speciality a teacher should be having. So, beautiful Murli, many practical tips Baba has shared today, which will really help us even in our day to day life. So, let's begin. So, Baba says, today the great great grandfather, Father Brahma, and Father Shiv are giving the whole elevated, fortunate Brahmin clan all over the world lots and lots of multi-million times. Congratulations for the divine Alaukik birthday.
Praful
It's the
Bhai,
Murli of Shivratri.
sorry to interrupt you, but are you sharing the screen?
Yeah, you're not able to see?
No,
Let
we
me
are not.
let me share it again. Yeah. There you go. Multi-million congratulations for the divine Alaukik birthday. Together with this, they are giving birthday greetings with deep love and spiritual flowers of love from their heart. They are very happy to see the speciality of every Brahmin soul. In their heart, they are singing the song Va Children, Va. Today, from Amrit Vela, these were the waves of happiness visible in each one's heart. Va, the Alokik birthday of our Father and us. The Father was also happy to see the garlands of greetings of all the children from Amrit Vela. Throughout the cycle, this birthday is only celebrated at the conference age. Even in the golden age, you will not celebrate such an Alokik birthday. Even when you will not have such a unique birthday where the father and the children take birth on the same day. This is one speciality which Baba mentions that both the father and children have the birthday on the same day. Until now, have you ever heard of a birthday which is the same day for the father and his children? However, today the birthday you are celebrating is of your children and of Bap Dada on the same day. So you are singing songs of wonder, are you not? Today at Amrit Vela, Bap Dada was creating a rosary. Which rosary was he creating? He was not making the final rosary of 108, which would make you wonder whether your name was in it or not. However, today he was making a rosary of the children who have remained immortal with the blessings of being immortal from the beginning of establishment till now. which is the time that is close to destruction. According to the drama, this too is an elevated part of those souls to see and hear the divine activities with God, the highest of high. However, there are so few of them. Do all of you also have this part? Bab Dada is making you into the Brahmin dynasty. That is why, in terms of the world, all you Brahmin souls are very, very, very fortunate. Why? You are in the line of a handful out of multi-millions, and a selected few from that handful. कोटों में से कोई में से भी कोई. So we are those lucky few people, few children, which Baba mentions that makes you so lucky. On the one side, there are the billions of souls of the world, and on the other side, there are all of you Brahmin souls who are united. So on this birthday, Papada was seeing the horoscope of every child, not just not just of some of you, but of every child, and was garlanding you with the rosary of specialities. Whether you are new souls or those souls from the beginning or from the middle, you are special and you will remain special. You will remain special throughout the whole cycle. Throughout the whole cycle, all souls of the world look at you, elevated souls, with a vision of greatness. Very beautiful statement, which in fact we can even remember throughout the day. Throughout the whole cycle, all the souls of the world look at you, elevated souls, with a vision of greatness. So, do you know your specialities? Do you know them? Does each one of you know your speciality? If yes, then raise one hand. Very good. What do you do with those specialities? You know that they are very good. You accept them as very good. But what do you do with those specialities? What do you do with them? Use them in service, somebody responded. You don't use them in any other way, do you? Specialities are a gift from God. A gift from God is always to be offered for world service. If the specialities are used in a negative way, they take on a form of arrogance. This is because after coming onto the path of knowledge, after coming into Brahman life, you attain many specialities from the Father. For by belonging to the Father, you claim a right to the treasures of speciality. Each one of us might have experienced that after coming into this divine knowledge, there are various specialities which we got from the Father. You don't have just one or two specialities, you have many specialities. In the memorial too, your specialities are mentioned as being 16 celestial degrees complete. So, there aren't just 16, but 16 means full and complete. Solana. So, Solana means 100%. It means being complete with all. To all, to be complete is the detail of being completely viceless. In words, it is completely viceless. But In being complete, there is a lot of detail. So, every Brahman attains specialities as an inheritance from the father. However, imbibe those specialities and then use them for service. Not that this is my specialty, but it is a gift from God. So, this is something which we can take away, that while referring to specialty, even if we don't claim it to be ours, sometimes people around us praise us, or they tell us that this is a beautiful specialty of yours. But this is something which we can tell to ourselves, that this is not my specialty, but it is a gift from God. And probably we can even tell them that this is something given to me by God. When you consider, I think screen sharing stopped, is it? Or you all can see it?
Yeah, it is stop.
Okay, okay. I think my device is getting locked when I speak. I'll share it again.
So should I help you to share?
Yeah, if it gets stopped after this, you can share.
Okay.
When you consider it to be a gift from God, that speciality will be filled with God's powers. By saying that it is yours, you have to face both arrogance and insult. The sign of having any type of arrogance of knowledge, yoga, service, your intellect, or any virtue is that such a soul will feel insulted very quickly. I'll just repeat this statement. The sign of having any type of arrogance. So sometimes we mention that we don't have that arrogance, we don't have that ego of any speciality or of any things. But what is a sign that that soul will feel insulted very quickly? So you are special souls. That is, you have a right to a gift from God. So today, all of you have come to celebrate Bap Dada's birthday. Have you not? And Bap Dada has come to celebrate the birthday of all of you. You will just celebrate Bap Dada's birthday, but Bap Dada has come to celebrate the birthday of the whole Brahmin clan. No matter whether you are sitting far away in this land or far away in a corner abroad, any soul who has become a Brahmin and belongs to the Brahmin clan, Ishwari Parivar, Bap Dada is celebrating your birthday. You are celebrating that too. You are celebrating everyone's birthday, and are you not? Or is it the birthday of just those who are sitting here? You remember everyone, do you not? Look, everyone is watching to see whether you are also celebrating their birthday or not. So you are celebrating everyone's birthday. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations to everyone. To celebrate means to have the zeal and enthusiasm. So you have the enthusiasm in your heart. Do you not? Wow, our Alokik birthday. Wow. So after reading this paragraph and the first one, we can understand that how much happiness even the father has for the birthday. And while celebrating birthday, Baba does not visualize the children in front, but the entire Brahman family throughout the globe. Likewise, Baba asks us to also have the zeal and enthusiasm for the birthday. So today, from Amrit Vela, you have all had a lot of zeal and enthusiasm in your heart for your birthday. Bap Dada even saw the cards. You see them with those eyes, but Bap Dada sees them in the subtle form before any of you see them. Bap Dada saw how all of you have so much zeal and enthusiasm to show the enthusiasm in your heart. Nowadays, emails are very cheap, so everyone sends a lot of emails. Everything reaches Bap Dada, whether it is an email, a card, a letter, or a thought in your heart. If you collected all the cards, letters, emails, and thoughts from Amrit Vela, you would enjoy yourselves a great deal just on seeing them. This is a unique exhibition. On a birthday, you make a wish for the future. On your birthday, the number of the age increases, and so you have now gone from 65 to 66. So this is, I think, the year from when the yajna was established. So that counts has gone to 66 in 2002. Just as you move forward one year, in the same way, in your efforts, in your invaluable life, in your mind, that is in your thoughts, in the decision power of your intellect, in your words, in having the power to make others into embodiment of success in a second, in terms of relationship and connections, let all those who are in the connections with you experience one attainment or another at every moment. So lots of things were mentioned in this statement. Let us again go there. Just as you move forward one year. So Baba asks us, as we move forward, have we checked that all of these things which Baba mentioned, I think he has mentioned around 8 to 10 things, have we moved ahead? So what are those things? In the same way, in your effort, one, two, in your invaluable life, in your mind, that is in your thoughts, in the decision power of your intellect, in your words, in having the power to make others into embodiments of success in a second, in terms of relations and connections, let all those who are in connections with you experience one attainment or another at every moment. Have you taken a vow of such determined thought for the year ahead? On the day of Shiv Jayanti, all Brahmin souls have two aims. One is a promise to themselves, and the other is to hoist the flag of the Father's revelation. So I believe all of us must be aware that we have a pratigya, promise to self, each one of us do at the center or at Madhuban, and the other task is to hoist the flags. All of you have these two particular aims in your heart. So, Bab Dada saw the register of the past of all the promises you have made. So we might be just making promise each year, but Baba has probably maintained a register, and he mentions that he was seeing all the register in the past of all the promises which we made. Every year, each one of you made a promise in the right way, in your thoughts and words. You have done very well. However, from today, that is after celebrating this birthday, especially underline one phrase. It is a common phrase, it is not a new phrase. That phrase is constant determination. Hmm? Not determination. Determination is dridta, sada attention. Not determination. Sometimes and carelessness in determination. Sometimes whether you have constant determination, the sign of that is that there will be constant 100% success in your every thought, word, and deed in terms of the self service and in your relationships. So, when you have constant determinations, the sign of that is so whether we are 100% determined, directly proportion is 100% success in every thought, words, and actions, which Baba mentions deed in terms of self, service, and your relationships. For as long as Brahmins lack constant success in all these things, then according to the drama, revelation is also delayed. So we want to reveal Baba, glorify Bap Dada or the new age, even that gets delayed if we do not have success in every thought, words, actions. Success is the basis of revelation. Let every word be filled with success. Let every thought be filled with success. This is why in the memorials today, those who call themselves gurus are referred to as gurus who every word is a version of truth. Even if they are telling lies, their devotees would say it is a version of truth. Satvachan, which is mentioned in Hindi Murli. So just because they are guru, people mention Satvachan, whatever they say. They might not even analyze. Even if it is false, they will say Satvachan. So this is a memorial of your promise. It is you who became empowers and great. This is why when it is said, the Guru whose every word is a version of truth, they mean the great souls never think. That was not my intention, but I just said it. Hmm? So Baba is actually correlating that versions of the path of devotion to us, the children. So why does everyone says to any guru Sat Vachan, or your truth, your truth? That is basically a remembrance of us, the great soul. So whatever we say, it has impact, and that Baba is correlating that. Don't say that this was not my intention. I just said it, because whatever we say, it has a value, and that is what has been even followed in the path of devotion. So let me read this statement again. It is a version of truth. So this is a memorial of you, your promise. It is you who became empowers, emperors, and great. This is why when it is said, the Guru whose every word is a version of truth, they mean the great souls. Never think that was not my intention, but I just said it, or it just emerged like that. Words or feelings do not emerge just like that, without any motive. This is just a case of deceiving yourself. Sometimes you say that the words are just emerged. Why did they just emerge? Why? Do you not have controlling power that they just emerged? It just happened. So are you not the king? It means you are under the influence of some of your physical senses, or are you not? This is why the words just emerged or something else just happened. So this year, together with congratulations, also underline constant determination in everything. Hmm? So again, Baba is highlighting this constant determination, which is necessary, and Baba has linked this with the statements which we say that this was not my intention. I just said it. It just emerged. So Baba tells that whatever you say that has a value. So go by that. Further, Baba says today it is your birthday, and so Bab Dada is not telling you anything today. But Bab Dada has noted it in everyone's chart, and he will tell you that in the last meeting today, Baba is just going to celebrate and not tell you anything. He will tell you after 15 days. So someone says if Bab Dada were to tell us, it would all be put right in 15 days. So Baba says, okay, if you first say that you will make that correction within 15 days, then it is okay for Bap Dada to tell you. So you can see what style Baba uses. Baba actually wants to tell us something, but Baba tells that today I want to celebrate. So he won't be telling us anything. He will tell us in the last turn, which makes children feel that no, Baba, you can tell us whatever you feel. And then now Baba says, okay, if you first say that you will make that correction within 15 days, then it is okay for Baba to tell you. If that transformation were to take place in 15 days, you can't tell what Baba Dada would do. Should Baba Dada tell you? Again, then Baba asks our permission. Is it okay for Baba Dada to tell us? Pandavas, should Baba Dada tell you? Will you be transformed in 15 days? Will you have this thought? It is good. Will the Pandavas do this? Should Baba tell you? It will be easy to hear it. But will you do it? Hmm? So when Baba says, should Baba tell? So most of us would say, yes, tell it. But again, Baba then qualifies. It is easy to hear. But will you do it? You will have to do it then. Baba Dada asked all those sitting at the back, all the mothers, all teachers, double foreigners, and everyone waved their hands. All of you raise your hands very well. Okay. So whenever these statements come, actually when we listen or hear this Murli, now we may not get that feeling, but when Baba is live and when he makes such gestures, while making such gestures, he also fills everybody with power, and that is why he has been asking that whether he should be telling us whether he whether we will do the transformation. So then after that, then Baba shares there are three groups of double foreigners, and are they not? So there were three groups standing: introvert, intoxicated, that is Mastana, the group name was, and powerful, that is Shakti. Antarmukta, Mastana, and Shakti. That these were the three groups standing in front. So the introvert group, raise your hands. There are very few in this group of introversion. The second group is intoxicated, Mastana. Okay, those who are in the Mastana group, stand up. You are those who always remain intoxicated. Are you not? What is the meaning of Mastana? Those who are always intoxicated. The third group is Shakti. The Shakti group is powerful, is it not? You have chosen very good names. In the beginning, when there was the Bhatti, what were the names of your groups? Divine Unity, Manohar Party, Supreme Party. This means these names are very beautiful, are they not? So these are also very good groups. If you remember the name, then together with the name, you will also remember your task. Acha. Double foreigners Kumar, stand up. Acha, this is the group of Kumars. You have done well. Bob Dada has received very good news of the refreshment of the double foreigners. Bob Dada is congratulating you from the heart and also reminding all the groups of what Baba has underlined today. There are so many double foreigner teachers. To become a teacher is a sign of very, very elevated fortune because Bab Dada sees the teachers as Guru Bhais, which means disciple trained to take the seat of the Guru. He sees you with such a vision of being equal because you sit on the Father's seat. Teachers receive this right, do they not? Just as a Guru has this throne, So too, this throne of the Murli is to enable others to imbibe the Murli and to listen to the Murli. You don't just read the Murli, but you also inspire them to imbibe it. Bab Dada has given you teachers the throne of a Guru Bhai. It has been seen abroad that all of you become seated on the throne very quickly. Bab Dada is pleased to wear the crown of responsibility. To maintain courage is not a small thing. However, to be a Guru Bhai is to be equal to the father. In fact, everyone has to become equal to the father. But the teacher's speciality have to have the crown of responsibility. So the teachers especially have the crown of responsibility. Bap Dada also likes the gathering of teachers very much. However, the special term for today is constant attention. Earlier Baba mentioned constant determination, so constant attention. Acha, teachers of Bharat stand up. We just read this paragraph. Baba has also mentioned importance of Pandavas here. The teachers of Bharat are no less. So did you hear with which vision Papa sees the teachers? This seat of conducting class and reading the Murli is very fortunate. You are very, very, very lucky because who are instruments in the corporeal form? Acha. One of the dadis is abroad and one is in Madhuban. But at every place, it is the teachers who are instruments in the corporeal form, or even the Pandavas are instruments. If it isn't that there are just teachers, even Pandavas, whom you call senior brothers, are there. Pandavas are very necessary. It is with the company of both the Shaktis and the Pandavas that the task has continued from the beginning. Even though there were few Pandavas, there was Vishwakishore, Anand Kishore, and Vishwakishore were there from the beginning. So you have the company of the Pandavas, do you not? However, the majority are the teachers who become instruments. You are the backbone. Papa is referring to Pandavas. You are the backbone of even the teachers. Each one has his or her own part. However, abroad, there is the speciality of even Pandavas being teachers. Few Pandavas in Bharat become teachers, but Bap Dada always says that teachers are those who give a vision of the Father through their features. The ones who show the clear future through their features. So you are such teachers, are you not? Let whoever sees you experience Bap Dada's sustenance. Hmm? Let whoever sees you experience Bap Dada's sustenance. Like Gurus, let God's virtues and God's powers be visible on your face. Beautiful statement. Let God's virtues and God's powers be visible on your face. Let Him be visible through your words. Let it be. Let it not be such and such a teacher said this. Hmm? No, Bab Dada gave this experience through the features of the teachers. Very important. So people should not call out our name, but probably they might say that Bab Dada gave this experience through the features of the teachers. To forge everyone's connection with the Father is the duty of the teachers. Let the word Baba emerge from each one's heart at every moment. So I think let's stop here. Baba later on meets the UP group and then the Dadis and all. Uh, I think which we can read later on during the day whenever we get time. So yes, let us pause for a moment. and just reflect what is all in this Murli is something which I would take for myself, and how will I apply it in my day to day life. Let us ponder on this thought for a moment, for a minute, and then we can start sharing. Okay, so now we can start sharing.
Om Shanti. Good morning, everyone. Very beautiful, Murli. So I like the point where Baba says, when others tell you or point to your specialities, we must say that it is not special. It is not my speciality, but it is a gift given from Baba. So, but when we recognize it as our own specialty, then we are sure to face insult and arrogance. Om Shanti.
Yeah, beautiful point. I just recalled that there is a senior sister at our center. So sometimes it happens that she gives a beautiful class, and we happen to say, Didi, it was very nice, and you spoke so well, and all. Immediately, she lifts her finger up and she just looks above, and that is a signal. I also saw Dadi doing that, Dadi Janki ji. Whenever we told Dadi, आप आगे बहुत अच्छा लगा, आपने क्या बहुत अच्छा बताया, something like that, she would put her finger up. So, very good thing which I learned is that whenever someone praises us or calls out our specialities, we just transfer that to Baba. But at the end of the day, it's Baba who gave us. This way, we don't carry it away with those words. And likewise, Baba also mentioned what is the signs of arrogance. So he told that somebody will feel insulted. So if in case of praising us, if somebody does not praise us, insults us, or rather tells us some other words, we won't be getting carried away. Because again, whatever we did, that was Siva. So Baba is responsible in a way. Yeah.
Om Shanti. There is lots of thanks to Baba, and lots of thanks to brothers and sisters with giving the service. And I'm happy that Baba has given already as a gift, and I'm realizing that gift. And during reading this Murli, and when Miss that Baba asked the question, what the speciality you have. So that I have, the speciality in suppose I'm a dyeing master, engineer, textile engineer. I'm dyeing. So one my specialty is a delta dyeing. One of I'm if you know that delta dyeing means to match the color as it is, whatever that. So these are delta dyeing in the nine now is the delta lifestyle. Delta lifestyle means word, thought, and action should be equal. This is the aim. So that speciality, that service, I have to give. This is a thankful to Baba. This gift is given, and already I are giving this how to improve and with constant determination. This sada in everything. Even that there is situations. Suppose when I'm working in the field in local world, so there are when working that suppose, but constant determination is not there. So sometimes paristiti comes. So different परिस्थिति that the means determination means वो down हो जाता है. So means that to maintain that determination, this is a very important this that Baba said, and this is a means very gift given by Baba. So thankful means to Baba, and I have to miss now is aim to share maximum uh, service to give to everybody. Om Shanti. Thank you, brother. Thank you, sister.
Yeah, very important. So along with that thing, Baba also mentioned, like as you mentioned, brother, that he asks us what are the specialities which we have. So although it is gift from Baba, but we should also acknowledge those. May that be in the Lokik world also. We are like, for example, even in Lokik, while you were mentioning that you're good with dying and all. So even I reflected on my Lokik world, that Lokik I am probably very good in automating things on Excel and things like that, because I am accountant by profession. So accountancy is something which I can probably do quite fast, and I have hands-on experience. But then again, Baba has filled that powers in me. So why Baba probably asks us to acknowledge our specialities? Because when we see other specialities, sometimes we feel that this person has so and so thing. What do I have? Or probably I don't have so many things. But actually, Baba has given us so many things after we became this child. And Baba, in a different movie, also refers that even if we don't recall any other specialty, the very fact that we have recognized him, we know the entire world cycle, and we know our part in the entire cycle, and we are going towards it. That itself is such a big specialty, which no one else has. Baba referred in today's Murli also. Koto mein koi mein bhi koi. Few from the multimillionaires, and even few from those few are we children. So that itself makes us so special. And if we have that remembrance, then we may not get carried away with someone else's, someone else is getting praised or others having speciality. And that is how again we can be in constant happiness. Yeah, anyone else would like to share any other point or add on to this?
Om Shanti. One more point, if you don't mind. It's my second chance. All these days, I used to take this woman as I'm a determined soul. So from today onwards, I would like to take this woman as I'm a constant determined soul and a constant attentive soul. Hope I'm right. Om Shanti.
Yes. Baba loves the word sada, constant.
Om Shanti, brother. Baba has said very beautifully that on Shiv Jayanti Day, one is you make a promise to yourself, and the other is you hoist the flag of revelation. So I think it's a very significant aspect that we look at both these promises very sincerely. And it's a reminder for me to reflect on these two promises which I made on Shiv Jayanti Day today. In fact, that flag which we attended at the center, the function at Shiv Jayanti, and that flag, I've nicely put it in my office on the side of my table. So a lot of people ask me, what is this flag? So it attracts curiosity, and it gives me an opportunity to share Baba's message in some way or the other. So the flag is still on my table. So I thought I'll just share this with the rest of the group, along with that Supreme Soul picture. So I tell them, if you're not feeling comfortable or slight disturbance, just look at that flag and look at that Supreme Soul picture there. So at the office also, people get influenced. Om Shanti.
Very
Om
good.
Shanti.
Yes, brother.
Can I share?
Yes, please go ahead.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. The third thought, putting Miss flag on the table. It's a very good thought and very good vibration we will get, and that is very wonderful. Miss that. So, Miss, and I want to share this. Miss, this is a Baba. This Murli given three groups: introvert and Mastana and Shakti group. So I think a Shakti group is over there. Om Shanti. Thank you. Thank you, Baba.
Yeah, I was just remembering this drink. There is one drink called as Mastani. I don't know if anybody is aware of that. So a very popular drink. So and when Baba was telling Mastani, I was just thinking that how refreshing and joyous ones become after having that. And Baba ke pyar and Mastana. So internally, externally, whatever happens, but since we have Baba with us, we have super senses joy. So beautiful name. Sister Anu says in the chat, my takeaway point is how devotees see our greatness and to remind ourselves our specialities from God to be offered for world seva. Okay, maybe we can take one last point if anybody has to share before moving on to meditation.
Brother Baba also says that teachers are those who give visions of Father through their features. Om Shanti.
Yeah. Okay, so let us take a moment to get seated or to have the awareness of I, the soul, at the center of the forehead. I being so lucky that Baba has filled me with so many specialities. This speciality has been given not by a physical teacher or a physical person. They might be instrument, but Baba is the one who has filled me, who has made me worthy of getting this divine knowledge, being worthy of coming into the golden age, being worthy of having access to godly versions, which is this movie, beautiful Murli. Just a few of us, 21 in this call, are lucky to have access to these beautiful insights which Baba gave us today. And all the other specialities which I carry with me. Baba, I'm indeed so lucky that you have been always there with me, by my side, and making me instrument to your huge task of glorification of this beautiful knowledge and the golden age. Let me always be in this awareness that I'm gifted. I'm that special person who has been gifted by God with these beautiful specialities. Let me be in this constant awareness that I am constant, determined soul. And I'm sure that with these specialities which Baba has filled me with, will help me transform anything, whichever weakness or whichever aspect I want to change for myself. And with this beautiful gift which Baba gave me on the special day of Shivratri, I begin my day today with a beautiful smile on my face and ready for my further activities throughout. Om Shanti. Thanks everyone. Beautiful sharings from everyone. Have a nice day. Hope to meet you all again. Om Shanti.
Om
Om
Shanti.
Shanti.
Om Shanti.
brother.
Thank you, brother. Om Shanti.
Thank you. Thank you, brother.
Om Shanti.